Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your bank statements with Wave, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Wave financial website. Log into your Wave account using your registered email and password. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the accounting option in the main menu on the left side. Click on Banking under the Accounting section. In the Banking section, you will see an option to connect your bank. Click on Connect Your Bank to start the linking process. You will be presented with a list of financial institutions. Use the search bar to find your bank by typing its name. Once you see your bank in the list, click on it to proceed. You will be redirected to your bank's login page. Enter your online banking credentials. After logging in, grant Wave permission to access your bank information. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity, if required. Once you complete the verification process, return to the Wave interface. Wave will automatically import your bank statements. You can view these transactions in the banking section. Review the imported transactions for accuracy. Categorize and reconcile any transactions as needed. If you have multiple bank accounts, repeat these steps for each one. Make sure to regularly sync your bank statements to keep your financial records updated. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your bank statements with Wave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.